Ever feel like all the cool budgeting apps cater solely to our American cousins? You're not wrong. There's a whole world of financial planning tools out there, but many seem hesitant to venture beyond the U.S. borders. So, what about YNAB, the ever-popular You Need a Budget app? Can our friends in the UK finally ditch the spreadsheets and dive into YNAB's zero-based budgeting system? Let's unpack YNAB's UK compatibility and explore what it has to offer British budgeters. YNAB for the crown, a land of opportunity, or not? There's a misconception that YNAB is strictly for US users. Thankfully, that's not entirely true. YNAB welcomes budgeters worldwide, including those in the UK. You can access all the core features, assigning funds to categories, tracking spending, and rocking that zero-based budget, regardless of location. But hold on, there's a twist, isn't there always? While YNAB embraces international users, some functionalities might be a tad US-centric. For instance, the pre-made categories often reflect American spending habits. Don't worry, though. YNAB allows complete customization, so you can tailor categories to your UK lifestyle, groceries, tele-license, the whole shebang. The all-important bank connection, bridging the Atlantic. This is where things get interesting, and potentially tricky, for UK users. YNAB boasts a fantastic feature, automatic transaction import from your bank accounts. This saves a ton of time and ensures accuracy. However, here's the catch. YNAB relies on a third-party service for bank connections. In the US, this works like a charm. In the UK, it's a different story. While YNAB initially offered connections with a wide range of UK banks, some integrations were in private beta, meaning they weren't fully supported. As of March 2024, these beta connections have been removed due to stability issues. So, can you connect your UK bank account to YNAB? Maybe. YNAB still supports direct import with select UK banks through their partner, TrueLayer. The key word here is select. Unfortunately, there's no definitive list of compatible banks readily available. Your best bet? Head over to YNAB's support page and check for updates on UK bank connections. No bank connection? No problem. Still YNABING your way to success. Even if your bank isn't on the list, don't despair. YNAB remains a powerful budgeting tool. You can still manage your finances manually. Here's how. Embrace the manual, download your bank statements and enter transactions yourself. It's a bit more time-consuming, but the act of manually entering data can enhance your financial awareness. Embrace the spreadsheets, kind of YNAB offers a handy CSV import feature. Essentially, you can create a basic spreadsheet with your transactions and import it into YNAB. It's not as seamless as automatic bank connection, but it saves you from manually entering everything. YNAB in the UK, a final verdict. YNAB is a fantastic budgeting app, and UK users can definitely benefit from its zero-based budgeting approach. While there might be some hurdles with bank connections, the option of manual entry or CSV import ensures you can still take control of your finances. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your needs and preferences. If automatic bank connection is a deal breaker, you might need to explore alternative budgeting apps specifically designed for the UK market. But if you're comfortable with some manual entry or can utilize the CSV import feature, YNAB can be a powerful tool to help you achieve your financial goals, no matter where you live in the world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.